Hi, this is Hirok Das. In this section, we will discuss about the engineering services previous year's question, and this question is came from Analog Electronics in 1999. Okay, the question says that the output voltage V0 of a given circuit. This the circuit is given. We have to measure the output voltage V0 equal to what? Now see, in this circuit there is two sections. First section is from this portion. This portion is first section, and then there is a second section. Okay, at first we measure the first section value. Suppose consider the first section value is this point value is V0 dot. Okay, now what will be the value of V0 dot? V0 dot value will be the voltage drop across this resistance. Okay, 1k resistance. Now they told that this 1 microampere current is flowing through this circuit. Now as the input impedance of op-amp is very high, the full current is go through the resistance. Okay, no current will flow to this op-amp because the input resistance is very much high, which is considered as infinite. Okay, now the full current is flow through that 1k ohm 1k resistance. Okay, this resistance 1 microampere is flow. Now V0 dot will be 1k into 1 microampere, right? Its value is 1 millivolt. So this V0 is 1 millivolt. Now this section, second section from this section is a non-inverting amplifier whose non-inverting voltage is 1 millivolt. Now okay, one thing, this sign will be negative because it is an inverting amplifier, right? Now in this section it is a feedback amplifier, non-inverting feedback amplifier. So its gain always be V0 equal to V in into 1 plus feedback resistance RF by R1. Okay, now here RF is 90k and R1 is 10k, and V in is given. V in is this V0 dot. V in is V0 dot cross 1 plus RF is given 90k and R1 is given 10k, right? Now the value will be V0 dot is 1 millivolt cross this is 1 plus 9 equal to minus 10 millivolt. Okay, so the output voltage V0 will be 10 millivolt, right? So now the option is minus 100 millivolt, no. Minus 100 volt, no. Minus 100 millivolt, no. 10 volt, no. 10 millivolt. So correct that the option will be minus 10 millivolt. Okay, so option will be minus 10 millivolt. So this is the right answer. Thank you.